Well, what's up guys, welcome back. I'm Chris Kodiak and you're watching another video about how to survive just a little bit better on Stranded Deep. Today's video is going to be a quick one, simple one. We're going to turn our simple raft into more of a shipping container because it is moving day and I need to get all of my gear to a bigger, better island that I found. Now I don't want to take multiple trips for this, so what we're going to do is go over to the crafting menu, go to furniture, and find the container shelf. Costs 3 planks, so if you don't have planks, get them or build the planking station. I'll make a video on how to use the planking station here soon. But we're going to go and slap a couple of container shelves on the deck. What that's going to do is it's going to make it very simple for us to use and move all of our gear to our new bigger island. But we're just going to go ahead and pull out the boxes, hold E to attach them, and just like that, you now have damn near unlimited inventory for wherever you're traveling. So whether it's moving day or you found a better island with some more gear on it, use this trick to make your life a hell of a lot easier. Hope this helped for you guys, and if you liked what you saw, like it and check out our other videos on how to make Stranded Deep a little more homey. Later.